My name is Melina. I'm a regenerative farmer, a cook, and a nature connection mentor for 2 years now. And I wanted to go deeper in my journey and get the possibility of, still being mentored in my own learning journey. And here, coming at Maine Primitive Skill for 5 weeks, I was able to get a very personalized curriculum. That was amazing. And arriving here at the school on the land with Mike and the other apprentice, being surrounded by people with such a knowledge of place, of the plants and the animals and all the ecosystem works together, was so enriching. And I've been given the philosophical and cultural context also that I think brings so much more depth and roots to my own process journey and what I can bring to people. We've been always exploring on meta level the mentoring and getting good stories of the experience of Mike. And we've been exploring some wild food and creating recipes and craft fiber processing and harvesting and making baskets. I think a big highlight for me was the work with the birds, the bird seed, and learning more about the bird language and all the sequences that helps us go deeper and understand the baseline and when things are happening. And I saw real evolution in my journey until the bird came and could fit on my head. I feel so grateful that I came here, and there is so much to it. We've been touching in so many places, and the scouting and the mapping and tracking, and I see that it's a place where I could go deeper in each of this topic. 5 weeks was actually short, but full and rich, and I do feel complete for that time, this time. Thank you, Maine Primitive. Thank you, Mike.